Hi, I'm Seema. My brand is Coral by Seema, and we work with all natural colors. We dye with marigold flower extract, onion skin, henna, and madder root. We also eco-print with leaves. The sari is one of a kind pieces, eco-printed with almond leaves, mango leaves, rose leaves, eucalyptus leaves, and gerbera flowers. It's taken it weeks for this to get done, and we also develop our own textile. We are a 100% zero waste unit. This is dyed in an extract of madder root, and what we do is we are a 100% zero waste unit. All our textile waste, it gets shredded and we convert it into another fabric, and then it's there's hands Zardozi work done on this. So these are also one of a kind pieces. This is dyed in an extract of henna. We keep it overnight, and these are signature bubbles. This is something that the women in our studio do. We have trained women to do, they've come from no background, and we have trained them to do all the processes. So it's hand dyed in henna. Every piece that you see is hand dyed. They're all unique, they're one of a kind. No two pieces will be alike. Also, sometimes you have patchiness, you have discoloring or irregularities, but that is the characteristic of natural dyeing and eco printing. We also print with onion skin, marigold flowers, rose petals, aster, and every time we print, it's a magical feeling, because it's just beautiful to unbundle and see the magic of nature. As you can see, all the flowers that come to us, they actually come from family and friends from the temple. We dry them and keep them and store it the day we want to print it. With onion skin, it's all from our kitchen waste. In fact, in my own kitchen, I have a separate bowl where when I peel the onions, I collect all the waste. And when you dye, you get a beautiful golden yellow color. And when you print, you get any shades of orange and green. So we use it for both the things. This was our launch at Lakme Fashion Week this year. We worked with Coke can taps. These are upcycled can taps from Coke cans, where we have people from all over help us, like waiters from restaurants or clubs. They have collected, a lot of friends have collected. So we are upcycling the Coke can taps over here, along with this fabric that we have of our textile waste that we make in-house. So we have we don't throw away any fabrics. We are also certified by Sasmira for chemical-free clothing. We have a certification for that, for antibacterial properties as well. This dress is again designed using all our waste fabric, and it's pure Kala cotton from Kutch, which is the most organic form of cotton today. The flowers are also handmade silk flowers at the studio. That's how the detailing is, with hand kanta stitch all over. This is something we've developed new. I've worked on this for almost 3 to 4 months. We get organic cotton yarns hand dyed in indigo, and then they're hand woven by the artisans in UP. So this is completely organic hand dyed denim. And of course detailed with our signature zero waste fabric. This collection is a new launch as well. And now we are also dyeing yarns with madder root to get pink denim, and with marigold flowers to get yellow denim. So that should be our next watch. This is something fun and young we tried. We've of course used a base of Kala cotton, and we've used chiffon that is printed with marigold flower petals. So it's something really young, like this is the back. So it's a little feminine and pretty kind of look. Detailed with our silk roses. So the silk roses is the new collection that we are doing. This is something that we give as an accessory. Can be just used as scarf, or can be used as a tie-up with any dress. This we call the tile collection because they are all placed like tiles. Again, like every collection of ours, it's born out of the need to use all our waste. So all the waste pieces are sorted, they're cut into squares and then stitched together. We basically, whatever fabric we can get our hands on, so we develop colors. Sometimes we just get one piece of one color. This is the pallu. As you can see, it's detailed with really tiny of our signature baubles. This pallu itself has taken about 1 month to be completed by this handwork. And it's got a pre-pleated drape skirt. So it's a little stylish for even the younger girls to wear. Again, something we offer for the younger girls. This actually can be teamed even with a pair of shorts for a summer holiday. It looks great. Very easy breezy and hand dyed in sappan wood with a honeycomb tie and dye effect, detailed with silk flowers. Again, the hand dyed indigo dyed yarn and hand woven denim. Once again, we've used all our blue leftovers, detailed it with kanta stitch with our baubles, some bit of bandhani, and very wearable travel dress. This is, it's a super travel companion because you can double it up as an evening dress also. This is again a painstaking piece because we first dyed it in, dyed it in madder root extract. Then it was printed with marigold flower petals and of course our signature bauble work on it. So this has taken again very long to make, but it's one of a kind pieces. We did not make more than one piece of this, and we actually pride ourselves in making a single piece for every design that we do. So I really appreciate if you can support all natural dyes and hand craftsmanship. Please do see my Instagram page at Coral by Seema and do follow. Thank you so much.